So I'll show you how well a LT55 John Deere hood fits on a John Deere STX38. The backstory here is that I got two STX38s, this one and this one, from an auction for 90 bucks total, and they both ran and drive, but they didn't have any hoods. And luckily I was given this LT55 155 for free. It had a shot deck. Motor was smoking, not too great of tires, so I'm parting that one out. And so I put the hood on the 38, and here's how I did it. Put a safety cable there so it doesn't open too far, just past the center of gravity. And then I just welded on two brackets. They're actually the metal I used, if I can show you here. Alright, there's one bracket, and the metal I used was from holding the hood on the STX38. I can show you over here on this other one. That and that. I just cut it down with the grinder and reused the same bolt holes. See up here, it fits pretty good. Down by the wheels, fits pretty good too. I can't see. See that for crap? Those are the hinges. So overall, I'd say it's a success. Better quality hood than the STX38s. Those plastic ones just break all the time. And next, I'm trying to get the seat from the LT155 on here as well. Here's the old seat. It had some bolt holes for mounting these brackets, and then it had this sliding seat adjustment. So I just got done welding those brackets onto this LT155 seat instead of trying to put bolts in it. Just decided to weld it. Then I'll just bolt it back on here. And that's it.